Hello children, today we will be learning about what are different methods of making magnets. Okay, remember this different methods what we are going to use is for making temporary magnet. We are not making permanent magnet. Okay, basically we will be learning here this three types of methods. First method you see here, it is for making magnet with the help of stroking method. This stroking method can be single touch method or it can be double touch method. Okay, and second we will be learning induction method. I said second for induction method because single touch method and double touch method, this both are stroking method only, and this is the second method. And third method is with the help of electric current we can make electromagnet. So in total we are going to learn first method, which is stroking method. This second method is induction method, and third we will be learning here electromagnet, which is making magnet with the help of electric current or electricity. Okay, so we will see now in detail one by one how these different methods are used. So children, now we will be learning about stroking method. In stroking method, what you need to do, you will be using a bar magnet. You can see here, it's a bar magnet and a steel bar. Instead of this, you can also use iron. Okay, you can use iron as well for this. Remember, you have to hold this magnet in such a way that only one of the pole is going to touch the steel bar. What you will do, you are going to slide this magnet in this direction. You will keep repeating this. You are going to form this kind of circles. Okay, again I am repeating, on this steel bar what you will do, you will be holding this magnet, you will slide this magnet in such a way that you are going to form a circle, means you are sliding it and you are bringing it back. So repeatedly you will slide over this one of the pole to this steel bar, and you will find if you do this, if you repeat it multiple times, your steel bar is going to behave as a magnet and it will start attracting the magnetic material. Understood? So here these are two methods wherein in first case you are using single bar magnet. You can see here this south pole is facing to this, you are continuously sliding it on this steel bar and accordingly it is getting the respective poles. Okay, so what you are doing here, you are holding the magnet, you are sliding this magnet on the steel bar, you are repeating it continuously, and after some time this steel bar will become a temporary magnet. Why temporary? Because after some time it is going to lose its magnetism. Why is that happening? Because if you see this steel bar, it has different units which are present in different direction. While sliding, all of them are aligned at one particular direction. They all align in one particular direction and it will start behaving as a magnet. So this unit we call it as a domain of the magnet. Okay, that you will see in detail in higher grade. Okay, same way this is stroking method only, but here you are using two magnets. One of the magnet you can see here is with north pole and the second one is with south pole. Here also you are going to rub this north pole, or you can say sliding this north pole to this steel bar continuously. At the same time you are using another magnet wherein it has different pole and you are repeatedly sliding it on this. So this steel bar is going to behave as a bar magnet. So either of this method can be used in your syllabus. If this is okay, then you can use this one. Okay, what you can do, you hold the magnet, repeat it, okay, then the steel bar will behave as a bar magnet. Okay, now if you see next method, this is the electromagnetism, or you are making electromagnet. In this case, what has been done? This is the electric wire which has been wound around in the form of circular loops. It is connected with the power supply. This is symbol for cell, or you can say power supply. So when this electric current it starts moving, when this electric current you can see here, when electric current start flowing through it, when electric current is moving from positive to negative direction, these loops which are there, this solenoid which is there, it will start behaving as a bar magnet. You know the magnetic field lines. It is going to form this kind of magnetic field, and one of the pole will be north pole and the other one will be south pole. Okay, so this is the magnetism which is being created with the help of electricity. Now the next method which is there is induction. In this case, if you see, in this case, in induction, what has been done? Yeah. So here you see, during induction, what is being done? You are holding only one magnet. This magnet is in contact with the magnetic material. You can say iron bar, or you can say it is some other magnetic material. You can take steel also. Okay, you can take steel also for this. Okay, iron or steel. So you can see this magnet is in contact with this steel bar. Due to that, what happens? These needles which are there are getting attracted to this. So here you can see, since magnetic field of this magnet, since magnetic field of the magnet is influencing, is inducing this steel bar to behave like a magnet, that is why these pins which are there or magnetic material which are there are getting attracted towards it. So here this magnet has induced this steel bar to behave as a magnet. This is called induction method. Once you remove this magnet, when it is detached from this, you will find these needles will also get detached from this on its own, because magnetism of this steel bar will be lost. Understood?